Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder. We'll start by understanding why crafting your own protein powder can be a rewarding endeavor. You gain complete control over the ingredients, ensuring purity and avoiding artificial additives. We'll explore common protein sources like whey, casein, egg whites, and various plant-based options such as peas, rice, and hemp. This foundational knowledge is crucial for selecting the best base for your homemade blend. Once you've chosen your protein source, the next step is preparation. For dairy or egg-based powders, thorough drying is critical to prevent spoilage and achieve a fine texture. This often involves low-heat dehydration. Plant-based ingredients such as lentils or oats should be roasted or dried, then ground into a very fine flour. Using a powerful blender or a dedicated grinder will ensure your powder is smooth and mixes well, avoiding any gritty texture. Now for the fun part, flavoring and customization. To make your protein powder delicious, consider natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or a small amount of erythritol. For flavor, cocoa powder, vanilla bean powder, or freeze-dried fruit powders work wonderfully. You can also boost nutritional value by adding ingredients such as chia seeds, flaxseed meal, or even a small amount of spirulina. Remember to mix these additions thoroughly for an even distribution throughout your powder. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality and potency of your homemade protein powder. Always store it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture, ideally in a cool, dark pantry. This helps prevent oxidation and keeps it fresh for several weeks to a few months, depending on the ingredients. When ready to use, simply mix 1 to 2 scoops with your favorite liquid or blend it into a smoothie for a quick and nutritious boost.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.